You'll never throw away an orange peel again. Grab a few oranges. Their peel has valuable properties. Orange peels contain natural oils used in various products. Peel the oranges and save the skins. Next, take a medium-sized jar and place the peels inside. The next key ingredient is vinegar, which has natural properties. Pour enough vinegar to fully cover the peels and seal the jar tightly. Store the jar in a dark place for 2 weeks. Over time, the mixture will blend perfectly, leaving a pleasant citrus scent. After that, pour the liquid into a spray bottle, and you're ready to use it. This natural mixture is antibacterial and perfect for cleaning surfaces like windows and shower doors, leaving them shiny and streak-free without any harsh chemicals. I add dish soap to my detergent, and it's so surprisingly effective that I want to share it with you. Mix 1 part dish soap with an equal amount of regular vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and the salt helps remove residues. Next, add a small amount of water and mix everything until well combined. Pour the mixture into a plastic bottle using a funnel, and close it with a dish soap cap for easy dispensing. Test it on a few dishes. This combination is perfect for cleaning dishes. Glass will be crystal clear and porcelain dishes will shine. Washing and cleaning dishes has become much easier with this new mixture, cutting cleaning time in half. No one in my family uses regular dish soap anymore. This enhanced soap with salt and vinegar is 100 times better. Just a few drops down the drain are enough. You'll eliminate unpleasant odors for a long time. Ever since my grandma showed me this trick, I've been using it constantly. At first, I couldn't believe how brilliantly it worked. Additionally, it cleans all the impurities invisible to the naked eye that can eventually cause clogs. To prepare this fantastic solution, start by pouring 100 milliliters of dish soap into a container. Dish soap effectively dissolves grease and bacteria. Next, add a tablespoon of salt. Due to its abrasive properties, salt helps clean the drain, reduce bacteria, and eliminate unpleasant odors. The next ingredient in our mixture is vinegar. Pour 100 milliliters of vinegar into the container. It will also help break down grease and combat any bacteria. Mix everything thoroughly to combine. Now we can get to work. Go to the sink and sprinkle baking soda down the drain. Then pour in our mixture. Leave it overnight without using the sink. In the morning, close the drain and fill the sink with hot water. Once there's enough water, pull out the plug so that a strong stream of water flushes our mixture down. You have to try this. Mix dish soap with toothpaste and pour it into the toilet. You'll get rid of dirt and unpleasant odor. It's a trick to remove exceptionally unpleasant stains in the bathroom. With this homemade method, you'll eliminate all the mess and odor. Sometimes various food remnants are poured into the toilet, which cannot be thrown into the trash bag. Sometimes the toilet gets dirty when you have food poisoning. It doesn't look good then. The smell can also be unpleasant. That's when homemade liquid comes to the rescue. It will clean the toilet, and above all, leave a pleasant smell immediately. You can also clean the sink or a dirty shower with it. They will be clean, shiny, and will smell nice. Pour a small cup of floor cleaner into the dish. Most of these liquids can also be used for cleaning other surfaces. Add a cup of baking soda to it. Baking soda cleans and absorbs bad odors. Pour a cup of dishwashing liquid. It removes many stains, including greasy ones. It foams perfectly. Also, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It disinfects and smells intensely and pleasantly. Finally, pour a cup of plain water. Mix everything together. You can clean the bathroom with this liquid. Just pour it into the toilet and clean it as usual. It will remove even greasy dirt. The unpleasant smell will disappear immediately. After flushing with water, it will be like new. You can also use this liquid to clean an exceptionally dirty sink. The stains will disappear, and it will be shiny, white, and fragrant. You can also clean tiles and grout under the shower in the same way. There is always the most dirt in the corner by the drain. You will easily remove it. With this amount of liquid, you can clean the entire bathroom. Take a dustpan, a stocking, and a few drops of a specific substance. This set will make your windows shine like never before. You'll forget about streaks forever. Everyone dreams of clean windows, but you don't have to spend money on special cleaning fluids. A homemade spray will make your windows sparkling and there won't be a single streak on them. Before you learn my recipe, familiarize yourself with the method of cleaning windows with a dustpan. Many people don't know that it can be useful when cleaning glass. However, it has something that is very useful for this task. It can replace a squeegee when you don't have one. The rubber element is perfect for this. And the stocking? Nylon tights and stockings have a certain property. No streaks or streaks appear on windows polished with them, even after rain. So if you polish your windows with an old stocking after washing them, they will shine for weeks. The window cleaning solution itself should have one important ingredient. It prevents dust, dirt, or grime from settling on the windows. It also reduces the risk of streaks. A small amount is enough for the windows to stay clean even twice as long as usual. Pour half a liter of regular water into a container. Add half a cup of vinegar. Pour in a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon. And finally, add several drops of glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you can use fabric softener or winter windshield washer fluid. These products contain glycerin. Windows washed with this solution are so clean that even a fly won't land on them. And that's literal. The scent of vinegar and lemon effectively repels insects. Flies, fruit flies, and even mosquitoes will not come near. A simple trick for a clean bathroom. Wash your bathroom walls this way, and the tiles will shine for a long time. It only takes a moment, and your bathroom will sparkle. You wouldn't believe what builds up on the tiles in your bathroom. With this trick, you'll easily remove all the dust from the tiles. Plus, it will prevent more dirt from settling. This trick adds shine to the cleaned surfaces. All you need are Swiffer cloths and a mop. Attach a cloth to the mop and start wiping down all the walls in the bathroom, even those high up near the ceiling that are usually hard to reach. After a moment, look at the mop. You couldn't see it with the naked eye on the wall. Once you've wiped down all the walls, take a second cloth and wipe them all again. Now they will stay clean for a long time. I repeat this process once a month, and I highly recommend you start doing the same. All you need is a Swiffer.